If you are craving hot springs in British Columbia, look no farther than the healing hot mineral waters of Harrison Hot Springs, known as QUALS, meaning boiling water. The hot springs have been revered as a healing place by members of the Coast people and local Chalais First Nations for thousands of years. Chalais stories and traditions can be seen all around our waterways, from the petroglyphs at Doctor's Point and throughout the Harrison River to the recently discovered ancient peat houses near Chalais Beach. A group of European settlers are said to have stumbled upon the hot springs in 1858 when their boat capsized in rapids and en route to the gold fields. Instead of plunging into frigid waters, the crew was pleasantly surprised to be greeted by warmth, and many returned to regularly afterwards to relax and enjoy. Around this time, the settlement or surroundings the hot springs became known as St. Alice's Well, named after Alice Douglas, one of the daughters of British Columbia's first governor, James Douglas. The name was eventually changed to Harrison Hot Springs to commemorate Benjamin Harrison, the deputy governor of the Hudson's Bay Company from 1835 to 1839. Alice Hotel and Bath House were built soon after the railroad reached Harrison Mills in 1885, and Harrison Hot Springs has been a resort destination ever since. Tourists from British Columbia, the United States, and Europe visit the Harrison River Valley year after year to take advantage of its countless activities, among its mountainous views and majestic lakes. Whether your clients are looking for fun-filled adventures or a tranquil diversion, the Harrison River Valley offers numerous British Columbia vacation activities and attractions: beaches, hot springs, boat tours, fishing, golfing, hiking, museums, shopping, spas, galleries, music festivals. The list is endless. Plus, the Harrison River Valley has a host of busy accommodations to suit any budget or need, from campgrounds to world-class resorts. And the friendly service always makes the small town experience something visitors treasure for life.